Hello, fellow traders. Things are looking pretty good right now. We're definitely at a spot where it was time to put some money to work on the downside. When the market was peaking today, I picked up my FAS position at 21. Instead of picking up a full FAS position, I picked up some QID at 2080. I'm liking what's going on right here, okay? I got some other positions going I want to update you. I picked up some game, 860. I like that one. I've been watching it. I was watching up around 12. Didn't pull the trigger, just been kind of watching it. Reminds me of like Fuki. I was watching FUQI when it first came public, this jewelry store, and I really think game's got potential. I also picked up a little Blockbuster down there right under 40. I like that trade. You know, they got to have something up their sleeve. It's some good gambling money right there. I got some Eagle at 480. And I'm still short Jazz. I almost covered that little loss at 25.70 today, or 35.70. I'm just being greedy on that. I'm trying to hold on. It hasn't broke down for me. It seems like everybody's run into that Jazz for a safe haven and can really be manipulated during the day. As you can see, whenever it drops and it bottoms, it's always guaranteed to go up $1. It's a good one to trade. But check this out. I definitely have been trading FAS a little bit. Like I was out completely at 22.20 the other day, and I held out over the weekend and Monday and back in today at 21. But this line right here, see how during the day, like if you can see that upper wick right there on today's candlestick, we actually tried to extend up and break above here where we found support, and it didn't happen. And that's when I loaded up on my FAS and QID right there. Market was up like 220, 230, something like that. I like that. And it also touched this upper, new downtrend resistance. So we were through this and it didn't hold, and we dinked this. The volume picked up a little bit. Okay? If we break up through here, then, obviously it could be a head fake, but watch out, because we're definitely set up for a double top scenario. I'm definitely have placed some stops in my FAS and my QID. I'm heading back out tomorrow, so I won't be at the post. I hope it's just straight down, and then once we break through this, it's on. Okay. Why I like today the most, though, is because we stretched up past here, and see, Friday we dinked right here. Okay, that's what made me clear everything, because what that did is we filled some gaps here and went down to some nice, these were resistance, so we busted through some nice supports, and I couldn't believe Friday it tested 10,000 that day, because I was talking with my partner, and I was like, well, dude, it's going to make a run to 10,000 Monday or Tuesday, and boom, it did it Friday. I just couldn't believe it when I left. There was like an hour left to trade. So I'm liking this upper wick action. That's what really made me decide today was the day. I wanted to get FAS back down and run 19 and skim the till a little bit. That's what I've been doing lately. If you follow me, I was doing that back at the low too. as it was dropping down to the March lows. I was kind of skimming the till a little bit with Schwab and everything. That's kind of what I've been doing with FAS, is pulling some money out, getting in cheaper. It's kind of like shorting your own money, getting my position back. Except this time I expanded with QID, which is the NASDAQ short. So this is what sold me today, right here, this upper wick going through this resistance here, was support here, and now it's resistance again. I can't believe, like, this Thane guy getting higher, and I just want to close out. You know, I'm going to get away with this talking about all this crap here soon. You know, get just back more into charts. When I start trading a little more, I've definitely kind of started firing up again. You know, not so, you know, gun shy. And the guy should be writing loans at Bank of America. You know, the fat guy you see in the corner, the pasty dude now. I mean, he should be done up there. He had his chance. It blows me away, and I know you've heard this and read it, but the same guys that, you know, didn't know what to do and didn't know when enough was enough, or being brought in to save companies that were bailed out and went bankrupt. You know, I thought for sure that was going to be the cracker. I believe that came out when I wasn't holding FAS over the weekend, and I was real nervous because I thought that was just going to be the cracker. Like, man, they've lost it up there. This is ridiculous. This guy should be out of the industry. They all should be. We needed new blood. If they let everything collapse, homes would be rebounding right now. There would be new homeowners, you know, emerging, real ones, and there would be, you know, new investment banks, new people at the lead with different ideas and different morals and ethics. Maybe, you know, they just have morals. You know, they care about other people's well-being and doing the right thing, and we're still not there, and it's pretty crazy. But watch tomorrow. That 10,100 is huge. If we stay under that and crack down through 10,000, you know, we're going back down a little further than this. Good luck.